So I just got in today this Milwaukee job site fan, and I'm adding it to my collection of tools for the business, but also for emergency prep. It has really good reviews. I've got it charging up right now, the battery on it. It uses the M18 battery, which is supposed to be really good. So I'll let you know how this works out. This is the first little video on this. I'm going to charge the battery up all the way and then see how many hours I can get running this thing. Online it said on low the battery will last about 17 hours. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to test it on medium and high and run the battery down and charge it back up again to see how many hours this thing will actually last. So the battery came not charged, so I have it on its little charger, and it's been on for about an hour or so, and the red light's still on. It supposedly turns green when the battery is 100% charged, so we'll see how long it takes. It does come with a AC adapter, and we're going to plug it in and see how this thing works. So we have it on AC power, so that's low. That's pretty nice. I mean, if you were camping or something, that'd be pretty good, or working here in the shop. This would be good for my flat hone if I took it into some place and I wanted to keep the dust off. It's a little heavy to carry around, but works pretty good. Let's see what medium is like. That's really nice. So that's about 3 feet, and that's got a nice breeze on it. That's going to work really well if the power goes out or we use this camping. I'm just curious to see how long the battery is going to last. Stay tuned. So I charged up the battery for the first time yesterday. It took about an hour and a half, and I say that because I just walked off and left it on the charger and came back, and it was an hour and a half later and it was charged up 100%. I started running the fan at 50%. I mean, like I said, it's medium. There's 3 speeds on it. I ran it at medium. I started at 12 p.m. last night, and even at 7 o'clock this morning, it was still running, still blowing really well. We put it in our bedroom and had it blowing on the bed. It worked fantastic. I don't know how much power is still left in the battery, but it's still working after 12 hours. Really like this fan. This is going to come in handy here in the shop and also on the road. And I'm going to buy another battery. Batteries are expensive. They're about $120 for the replacement battery. They're the M18 Milwaukees, but I'm really looking forward to using this thing in the future. It was expensive, $269 for the fan, the battery, and the charger, but hey, get what you pay for.